Assalamu alaikum, how are you? I think you're fine. I'm also fine. Today I'm going to share with you the introduction part of the Adobe Animate software. Probably I'm going to share some informations about viewport, timeline, properties panel and toolbars so that you can understand easily how Adobe Animate works for making animations. So let's open to Adobe Animate software. Now we are going to open our Adobe Animate software. So let's go to Start menu and click all apps you have seen Adobe Animate software. Just click and it's open. Probably it takes some time to open, so we're gonna wait. Okay, yes, it's open. So now we have seen some bar on the top. So we have seen file bar. Click here and we have seen some options. So we are going to open a new project. That's why you are going to click new or shortcut Ctrl+N. So click new, open a new prompt. We have seen some preset here. This is a viewport width and length or height. So probably we're going to choose a different. I basically choose to full HD 1920 into 1080. Most of the animators used to choose standard option or presets. So this is totally up to you. Then you go to the frame rate 24.01 and platform type ActionScript 3.0. Here another options. This is HTML5 canvas. So we're gonna probably choose this one if you want to upload your video in website. So I don't want to this video in website, so that's why ActionScript 3.0 is my preference. So then just click on the create button. So after clicking, then you have seen this is the Adobe Animate software and your project look like this. So after creating your project, then you should set up your workspace. Which workspace you basically want to choose. So then you should go to the workspace options. This is a workspace options and click here, and you have seen many options there: animator, basic, classic, debug, designer, developer, essential, small screen. I basically comfortable with classic workspaces. Probably you are gonna choose your workspace is basic. Click here. This is a basic workspace, or probably you are going to choose developer. This is a developer workspace. So I'm comfortable with classic workspace. That's why I'm going to choosing here, and I used to work with this workspace. So it's totally depend on you which workspace we're going to choose. So it's totally up to you. So now we're going to discuss about the viewport. This white part is a viewport. We're going to call this is a viewport or canvas or a stage. Whatever you do, whatever you want to draw, everything is on the stage. I drew one character. This is the head of human body. So I want to set up on the stage. So whatever you draw, everything is shown by stage or viewport. So we have some options on the top of the viewport. This is a scene options and center stage and rotation tool. So I'm going to give you some information about these options. Scene. When you're gonna make a big project, this project will be seen by scene. So I'm going to discuss these scene options later elaborately. This is a center stage. Probably I'm going to move my stage frequently when I draw something. So this stage, we need to decorate or organize this stage again. So I just click this center stage, this stage back again in their place. This is a rotation tool. Probably I'm going to draw something that place wasn't my comfortable zone, so I need to move or rotate this stage. I just click this rotation tool, and yes, this is rotating. Probably I'm going to draw something here. So this is very comfortable when we rotate this stage. I'm going to back again. Just click center stage. Yes, back again. So these options is very important for Viewport. So this is the all of this Viewport informations. Now I'm going to talk about the timeline panel. So this is a timeline panel. Here you have seen a lot of options how you can manage this timeline panel. So this is a layer options. You're gonna make a lot of layer when you draw something or animate something. This is a folder options. You have a lot. If you have a lot of layer, you can keep your layer in this folder. This is a delete options. Probably you're gonna delete your layer panel or folder panels. So you have seen more options on the top. This is advanced options. I am going to discuss later these options when we are going to making a project. So this is a frame rate. It is a time durations. How many times you need to your projects. This is a duration of time. So this is a timeline panel. And if I want to making something, if you want to make something moving like this character, so yes, I'm moving this character easily. So making a classic tone, twin, okay, yes. So timeline refers to how you animate something. Next, I'm going to talk about the tools and properties panel. This is the tools panel. So we have seen a lot of tools here. Each and every tools we need to draw our character, to create our project. So I'm going to discuss these tools panels elaborately later, because each and every tools need to describe elaborately, and it takes a huge time, because making your project tools panels is important for you. And another panels is properties panels. Basically properties panels help to change the tools or tool settings. So I'm going to discuss one tools like this is a brush tools like. So you go to the properties panel and you can change your brush tool settings like size or roundness, angles, whatever the changes you need. You're gonna change by using properties panels in properties panels for tools. So this is the tools panels informations and properties panel informations. Probably I'm going to give you a lot of informations today in Viewport, workspace, timeline, properties panels, and tools panels. Next, we're going to start our introduction part of the tools panels, how actually works each and every tools. So today, my conversations is over now. Thank you very much. See you soon.